Hello dear students, today we are going to do paragraph writing. Writing paragraph is also quite simple. When you start writing a paragraph, you have to keep three things in your mind. Three important factors are there for writing a paragraph. The first one is intro. Intro means introduction. The second most important thing is the content of paragraph, C-O-N-T-E-N-T, content. And the third most important and the last one is conclusion, C-O-N-C-L-U-S-I-O-N. See, when you write a paragraph, keeping three things in your mind, it will be very much convenient for you to write a paragraph. The first one is introduction, second content, and the third one conclusion. Conclusion may be your own idea. Conclusion is the sum up of the entire content. So let us now begin. Computer. First of all, you have to give the definition of computer, that is called intro. What is computer? What are the uses? What are the various uses of computer? The uses of computer in various fields. An electronic device. Here we have to write electronic. An electronic device used to store, display and process data is known as computer. The computer has emerged a lot with the passing days, with more updates and advancement. You know, nowadays, as we already know, that computer has become important part and parcel of our life. It is not an exaggeration if we say that computer is as important as oxygen for breathing, for survival. You know, it has become important aspect in our life. We cannot smoothly do without computer. Everywhere, suppose for example, if we are traveling somewhere, we need to book a ticket, and that booking will be done with the help of computer, be it any field, be it teaching. See, even in our teaching learning process, we take help of computers and electronic gadgets. So therefore it has become very much essential. Without it, you know, we will be backwards. Therefore we have to therefore we have to use it for our going. Without computer, it will be very difficult for us to go on smoothly. You know, computer helps us. It has also become communication, for conveying our messages, for to cover our messages to a very big mass. You know, it is the computer. At the same time, we must not forget, it is the computer that has made this world into a global village. That is why you know, it has become very much important, very much essential in our life. There are three types of computers, which include analog, digital and hybrid computers. The computer has several functions other than processing and storing data. It has earlier when the computer was in its initial stages, you know, the purpose of computer was simply calculating the data, sums and like that. But with the advancement of time, you know, computer started incorporating a lot of features. It helps control the machine, organize business, sell services and products, and definitely academic purposes also. The computer has found its way in our daily life with great usefulness. That is why, it has become, I was repeatedly laying the emphasis that it has become important in every aspect of our life, be it teaching learning process, be it calculation, be it mining, be it traveling, everywhere it has become very much important. Now if you want to add some more lines, you can add it for your conveniences. Your words, if you write the answer in your own words, that is very nice. That is the best thing. That's all. Thank you.